Hello children. Children, welcome to English class. Welcome to English class. Children, today we are going to learn about vowel sound I words. Vowel sound I words. The letter is I. The letter is I. The sound is E. The sound is E. The letter is I. The sound is E. So today I as E, M as M as So when it is joined with few letters, the first letter is D, D as D, I as E, M as dim, dim. The sound is, the word is dim. Then the next letter H, 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 I, E, M, it is him. The word is him. Then the next letter is joined with I and M is R, R. Then it is the word R-I-M, rim, R-I-M, rim. R as I as E, M as rim, rim. Then the next letter S as S, I as E, M as sim, sim. S as S, I as E, M as sim. So when we look into the words, children, first one is dim, dim, D, 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 I, E, M, So dim, dim, light, less light, less light. Then the next one is H-I-M, him, him, H, 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 I, E, M, him, him. The boy took the guitar with him, him. Then the next word is rim, R, I, E, M, rim, rim, rim. So the edge of the cycle tire, which is made up of iron. The edge of the cycle tire, which is made up of iron. Rim, rim. Then the last one, S-I-M, sim. S, I, E, M, sim, sim. It is a SIM card which we all use it in the phones. Yes, mobile phones. So like this, I is joined with M. I is joined with M and with few letters to form words. Then the next one is, next I letter I is joined with P. Joined with P. I as E, P as P, P as P. The first letter is D, D as D, D, E, P, dip, dip. Then the next one is H, 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 I, E, P, P, hip, hip, hip. Then the next one is the next letter L, L, L-I-P, lip, L-I-P, lip, L, L, I, E, P, P, lip, lip. Then the next one is S, letter S, I, P, S, I, E, P, sip, sip. Then the next one, the next letter is with Z, 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 I, E, P, zip, zip, zip. Yes. So first one, D-I-P, dip. Dip is nothing but putting any food into another object, in another thing. Yes. So dip, dip. D as dh, I as e, P as p, dip, dip. Then the next one is hip, H, h, I, e, p, p. The boy is putting the hands on hip, hip. His hip, that part is called as hip, where his hands are, where the boy is putting his hands, it is called as hip, hip. Then the next one is L-I-P, lip, L, 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 I, E, E, P, 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 lip, lip. Then the next one is S, S, letter S, the sound is S, S. Then I, E, E, P, 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 sip. Yes, a small sip of tea. Yes, it is sip, sip. Then the next one is Z-I-P, zip, Z, 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 I, E, E, P, 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 zip, zip. Then the next letter I is joined with T. I is joined with T, and the letter goes on like this, children. First one is F, 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 and it is I, E, T, 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 fit, fit, fit. Then the next letter is H, 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 I, E, 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 T, 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 hit, hit, hit. Then the next letter is K, K-I-T, kit, K, 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 I, E, 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 T, 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 kit, kit, kit. Then the next letter is S, S, I, E, 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 T, 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 T. So children, fit, hit, kit, sit. Okay, the words are like this, children. Fit, F, I, E, 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 T, 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 T. Fit, fit. It is fit. The man is very fit doing exercise. If we also do our exercise daily, we will be fit, fit, fit. Then the next one is H, 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 I, E, 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 T, 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 hit. Yes, the boy is hitting the ball, and Tendulkar is also hitting the ball. Sachin Tendulkar is also hitting the ball. Yes, so it is hit, hit, hit. Then the next one is K-I-T, hit, K, 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 I, E, E, T, 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 hit, hit. Yes, cricket, kit. It is cricket, kit, and tennis, kit. Okay, all the playing things together is called as kit, kit. Whether if it is cricket game, the things all are called as cricket kit. If it is tennis game, all the set of those tennis game things are called as kit. Then the next one is sit, S, I, E, T, T, sit, sit. It is sit, sit. Yes, the resting position, the resting position on the chair, it is called as sit. Then the last one is I is mixed with or joined with X. I is joined with X, letter X. Okay, letter X. I sound is E, X sound is S. So the first letter F-I-X, fix, fix. F as I as E, X as S. Then the next letter is M. M. M as M. M. I as E. E. X as S. Mix. 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 Then the last one S. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. S as S. I as E. X as S. 6. So when we look into this verse, children, F-I-X, fix. So joining things together to make a thing. Joining things together. Fix. F. I. E. 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 X. X. Fix. 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 Then the next one is M-I-X, mix. M-I-X, mix. Mixing two colors, we get a new color. And mixing certain things to cook the food. Okay. Mix. M. I. E. 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 X. Mix. Mix. Then the last one for today, children, it is S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. S. I. E. 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 X. 6. 6. 6. So children, when I am saying, you try to read out the sound along with me. So for today's assignment, children, you have to write all these words one time in your assignment. You have to write all these words which you have observed the sound. You have to write it one time. Children, please learn how the sound is produced. So children, today we have learned about sound, vowel sound I words. Vowel sound I words. So children, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day, children.